Hello there friends. The big box that you see here is a dream which I saw since last 10 years, every night, every day, till it's become a reality. It's my SAB Raw 580 kit which I recently got, and I'm going to just show you what all you get in the box. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing you go for in a kit is the manual. Well, you have seen them enough in the other videos. I'm going to just keep it aside. Let's just open the box and show you the goodness. Okay. So when you open it, you see some documentation. More documentation. The manual was here, of course. Just gonna put it back. Some stickers for your frame. A lot of colors available. Got red, green, blue, white, green. So I guess what I'm going to go is to match with the match with the canopy. I guess it's going to be the red and this green, I believe, but you will see it in the build videos. Let's go further. First thing that you note in the kit is this massive and beautiful canopy. Look at it. How big is it? Unwrap it. I'm going to show you. It's a matte finish canopy. See, green on one side, even difficult to fit it in the frame. Orange on the other side. It's huge. The original by SAB. It's your blade holder, your main frame set, and some washers. I believe they go with this main frames. These are lower main frames, by the way. Let's just see what's there in this big box. As you can see, probably in my excitement I've already ripped it apart, but I'm doing the unboxing for you. Okay, open it. A lot of stuff here. Try to pull one by one. You have your skids, landing gear parts. These are your landing gear mounts, by the way. And this is the front canopy holder. Kind of holds into the front of the canopy. These are your tail rotor parts. Let's pull out a few. With SAB you got all nicely labeled bags. Your tail grips, this is the tail shaft, yeah, and the tail feathering shaft inside, the small one that you see here. Then you got the main belt. This is my tail fin. Stickers have to be applied, of course, which I showed you earlier. Tail fin, your main belt, which goes through your tail tube. This is your tail case. And the pitch arm for the tail. This is a 22 teeth pinion. This is a 22 teeth pinion. Pitch arm for the tail. I'm not going to use this pinion because I'm going to use a 24 tooth pinion 12S setup. More stuff. Okay, these are some cable ties, good for SAB to provide them, and this one is used if you're going to use an external battery to power your electronics via BEC. I guess I'll use my X guard, I'll use this to mount my X guard if it's possible. It goes in the back of the heli. These are your main upper frames with the mounting nuts and everything inside. These are your battery mounts, battery mounting rails. This is your wire loom and a receiver holder which kind of sticks under the rear servo. Very nice and thoughtful of SAB to include such things. This one is your tail tensioning tool, tail belt tensioning tool. It goes kind of around the tail and you pinch it with the screw and then kind of adjust your tail tension. Okay, and what else we have? This is again some tail mounting hardware. Yeah, all of these, these brackets are used to mount the tail into our frame. This is your tail push rod. A big beefy boom with SAB Heli Division written on it. Can't get it on the full. Let's see if I can move it. Look how big it is. I guess you can smack someone with it. Let's put it back. 95mm tail blades. So what's this? Battery mount. Battery mounting hardware. Oh nice, they have these straps as well. I don't have to buy separately. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So my 12 cell setup is taken care of. And lastly in this box we have the SAB S-line blades. 580mm. 580mm blades. Quite heavy. The heli is going to rock these blades. Probably for a 12 cell setup later on I'll switch to a 600 size blade, but for now I'm going to try and use this blade and see how the feel of the heli is. Next we check what's in the big square box. Let's just keep it here and unbox a lot of stuff. Your ESC mount, ESC and motor mount. Yeah, this is the motor mount. This one at the back is the ESC mount. Okay, this is something I ordered extra. This is so that it can take full size servos. You get a full size tree mount. There's a back servo mount also here, full size. And these are the SAB horns that I got. I'm going to use these, sacrificial. You got the main transmission inside. I mean, look at it. Okay, and while building, we'll see it. Beefy. Your motor pinion to differential belt. It's a double belted design. These are your tray to mount your receiver and flybarless. And you also have the magnetic mounts, the cups, the receivers. Okay, these are your main rotor parts. You can see main blade grips there. I think let's get the grips out. Main weight grips, your thrust bearings set, SAB branding. These are your these kind of connect to the main grips, and you put a ball link here, and these connect to the swash. This is your belt tensioner kit with the spring. This one, I think this is also a part of the belt tensioner. Some hardware, your magnetic quick release mounts which go in the canopy. Some hardware, more hardware, even more hardware, and I'm saving the best for the last. This says bag of shims. So there we have the swash and the linkages. Inside you can see the swash is there. Let's try to get the swash out. There it is. There is your swash. Nicely packed, protected, heavy, and your ball links for the swash. Some more. Okay, this one is basically to check the angle of the servos. With SAB Raw helis, you see the servos are a bit tilted, so what you do is kind of line up your servo. You put this on your servo, and then you line up the horn with this, so you get the correct angle. This one is the original mini servo mount that came with the kit. Some pinion, and then this is intermediate gear that you have to put with the transmission. Didn't see the main shaft, right? Here is a specialized tool for putting your ball links. I can see the head in there, linkages, and I also see the feathering shaft in there. Oh yeah, silly me, main shaft is here with the transmission. So that was the third box. So you went through the entire unboxing of my new heli. I'm excited to build this, and for now let's just pack our things together. It's late in the night. I'll probably start building this heli tomorrow, and I'll be glad to have you guys join me on my journey building this heli. So till then,